Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PIP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did do this analysis yesterday, so that's where this green line annotation is coming from. And as I talked about in yesterday's video, the question at that point in time was, all right, yeah, this was a nice day in the sense of it did bounce, but was there any sort of true power behind this bounce, or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce, fake move? Well, we got our answer today. This bounce still had plenty of strength in it, and it continued to bounce here. So now am I going to sit here and call this a total reversal? No, I mean, bounces can turn into reversals, but in my opinion, at least, the terminology that I would use for this one is still just a bounce. I'm not quite ready to sit here and deem this a total reversal or anything like that. But let's get some things updated here. As like I said, the bulls made a lot more progress today. One of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $1.20, that would make the chart look extremely, extremely powerful. But if the price does fall below it, by no means am I saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, the price staying up above there, that would certainly be a very powerful sign on the bull's part. If that level can't hold, then the next level to keep an eye on down there at 95 cents. And then the very important level down here at the 70-cent mark. I'm not going to get into why 70 cents is so important given, where it closed today. 70 cents, not really relevant at this point in time. If you are interested in why, the 70-cent level is so important, you can just go back and watch the video from February 6th in the archive. But as it stands right now, the more relevant levels of support, again, $1.20 and then right around 95 cents. What about levels of resistance? Well, at this point, in my mind, it's all about the pink line right here, the 50-period simple moving average. I realize that's way up there, and the price is down here, but keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move its way downwards and get more and more relevant. And this is just a very famous moving average within the world of charts. And when the prices blow it, it does tend to act as resistance. Not a guarantee it'll act as resistance, but the bulls will definitely have to bring their A game if they're going to be able to push through it and then stay up above it. But any way you slice it, 2 days in a row now, very nice bounce. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can continue to build upon this bounce going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.